evening, everyone, and we are sorry for the delay because we were expecting three more people to join, but somehow they didn't join. So they will join in the meanwhile. So we will start. Uh, so thank you all for joining us today. So this session is through Karyachala Foundation, and this today's session is on personal grooming, personal etiquettes. As we all know, personal etiquettes and personal grooming is very important because this is the first impression with anybody gets for us. So before I start, I request you all to please switch on your video so we can see your face and we have an interactive session with you all. And secondly, we will like to know your views, what motivated you all to join this session. So I would just like to know a few lines about you. First is your name and which city do you belong and what motivated you to join this session. So we will start with Anika because I am able to see the video of Anika and requesting other guests Vinisha, Anita and Shivani to switch on your cameras. Over to you, Anika.
Hello everyone, I am Anika and I am a student in 11th grade. I have etiquettes, but no one is perfect, so I thought of joining and getting some tips.
That's awesome, Anika. कहते हैं you thought of joining it because nobody is perfect and everybody, if you are able to get some tips, is nothing like that. Hi, Vinisha. I'm able to see you. So over to you, Vinisha. Vinisha, I can't hear you.
Sorry, I was still muted.
Yeah.
Hi, Swati. Seeing you after a long time. Nice.
I think after 30 years because I left school after 10th in 1990. So
I left
it's
way back in the 8th. So, yes, the gap has been pretty long.
yeah, 30
But it's lovely
years.
connecting again.
Yeah, it's awesome to see you, Vinisha. Yeah.
Same here. So, I'm Vinisha. I reside in Noida and currently a homemaker, but now I feel it's the time that I should start doing something. So, I thought to be more pleasant and appealing and presentable and all, I thought I should get a few tips from you. So that's why I enrolled for this today.
Awesome, Vinisha. Awesome. Because the best part is that at this age you thought to come and to join. So that's
need to learn.
Yeah, absolutely. Otherwise, what Anika said, we all think we are perfect, we know everything, but there is something which we all are lacking. Nobody is perfect. So thank you, Vinisha, for joining today. Shivani, can you please switch on your camera and just a few line about you? And Anita ji, please also switch on your camera. At least we should know to whom we are talking. It will make Shishti also comfortable to see who we all are. Shivani, are you hearing me? Anita ji, can you please switch on your camera? Okay, I think they are on silent and no worries. So let me introduce our trainer for today is Shrishti Gupta. She is from Calcutta and she has won the title of Miss Calcutta Personality over there also and Beautiful Smile. And we have seen the transformation in her. So today's module will be taken by her. Over to you, Shrishti.
Thank you so much, Swati, and good evening, guests. I'm glad to see you all here. Hope I'm audible to you all.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Thank you. So, thank you, Vanisha ji, for joining us. Thank you, Anika ji. And Swati ji, thank you very much for giving me this platform today. Okay, Swati ji, can we have the first light of perfection, please?
Please let me know, can you all see the slide?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Just let me know when to change. I will keep on changing the slide.
You can start it like From view option, from view, no, on the top, view. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
We have heard the term perfection. Perfection, she's so perfect. My friend is perfect, but I'm not perfect. How to be? Everybody wants to be perfect, right? Be perfect, or else no one will give importance to you. We have heard this, but why? Who is the person who will give importance to us? Why we are focused for the other person? Who is the other one? Do we know? Do we really know who is the other one for whom we are concerned to be perfect? Next slide, please. I want you all to interact at least. I want the definition of perfection from you all. Shivani ji, can I have a definition from you? What is perfection? Shivani ji?
I think Shivani is no. I don't know. She's not responding. Neither Anita ji is responding. So you can ask whether Anika, Vinisha, and me. Yeah.
Okay, Vanisha ji, can you please respond? What
Sorry?
is the definition of perfection?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Anita. I am keeping my camera and also on mute because right now I'm somewhere outside. But I'm listening to all of you. Okay?
Okay. Anika, do you want to participate?
Pardon?
Anika?
Yeah.
Anika Jain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Anika. Do you want to try what is definition of perfection?
Perfection is like something that is correct, or something that is like perfect is perfect. I don't know.
Perfect is perfect. How you can judge yourself to be perfect? Let me explain. Okay. Next slide. Swati.
Yeah, can I add?
Sure. Go ahead.
Yeah, so as per me, there's no one perfect as such, but it is just how you perceive the other person. So if you think, yes, the things that you look forward in somebody and you are seeing from that perspective, and also you'll think, this person is really perfect. And I don't know why, but invariably we always perceive ourselves as imperfects and the other person way above and better than us. So there is no one perfect, but in my belief, everybody
Very
sees
good.
improvement.
Very true, Vanisha ji. Swati ji, can we have the next slide?
Yeah.
See, how we can get to know that whether we are perfect or not? We used to compare. I am comparing myself with Miss A. And then I'm seeing, oh, she is having a perfect, flawless skin. And I'm not. So I'm not perfect. Maybe Miss B is having a perfect figure, which we consider perfect. Because we all have a perfect body, and perfect body means to be fit, not having a lean figure, right? But some of us want to have a perfect figure, and we compare. We sometimes compare ourselves with our classmates, that she got 90% and I'm just 89%. We start comparing. We compare with our friends, we compare with relatives, we compare with so many people, and end up to what we end up. What is the next slide, please? We end up feeling depressed. Oh shit, I cannot be perfect like her. I am not like her. Yes, we cannot be like somebody else. Because if at the point I'm comparing myself to anyone, like I want to be perfect. Suppose my sister is perfect and I want to be like her. But I cannot be, because each and everybody has an individual and unique identity. Next slide, please. No one is perfect. We have heard the phrase that the word imperfect says I'm perfect. But we human beings have a tendency to compare. Everyone is unique. Next slide. As it is human tendency to compare, and we really want to compare, then let's start comparing ourselves for our betterment and not for depression. How can we compare for our betterment? Suppose I like someone.
यहाँ से देख के चला गया, इसका मतलब वही होगा, मेरे को पता नहीं कौन है। मैंने कहा
I like someone who is always punctual. Okay, and he is never late, or she is. Swati, let the previous slide be on. Slide number 5. Yes, we want to compare, and I want to be somebody like I'm saying that she's perfect, she's on time, she's never late. Okay, I want to compare. I should learn the positive thing in the other person I'm admiring. Let's start comparing each other and start learning one beautiful thing of the other one we are attracted to. Next slide, please. The next one. No ego hurt. Let's grasp a positive thing or habit from the one we are impressed. I'm not saying to copy. Don't start copying the one you are admiring. But yes, try to learn a positive thing. Everyone wants to be perfect in their own ways and in their own eyes. Sometimes we commit mistakes and see that the other one is not doing anything. No mistakes at all. How perfect, how flawless she is. Start laughing at your mistakes. This will help you. This will help you in boosting up your confidence. Next slide, ma'am. Next comes the law of attractiveness. We are generally attracted towards most of the friends or relatives because she is so pretty. She attracts the audience so well. Attraction is like a magnet. But what is attraction? Does the term look or pretty is the key? If someone is beautiful, can she be able to attract the audience? No. Talent, the term talent is very important. You have to be talented. You have to charge up yourself with a magnet. And what kind of magnet is it? Being beautiful is not in our hands, but being presentable is in our hands. We can enhance our skills, our needs, our extra co-curricular activities. We can start doing things जो आपको खुशी देती है, the things that give you tremendous happiness. Start doing these things. People are generally attracted towards looks, but in the very initial stage. If you're seeing a beautiful actress on a stage show, she's looking ravishing, and later on, when she started speaking up, she just jumbled all the things she wanted to say. Like in our terms, we used to say कि जब मुंह खोली तब पता चला कि how she is. But present अपने आप को अच्छे से करना है. जब तक हम किसी का बात, किसी का तरीका, the way they present, the way they speak, their talent नहीं जानते, हम उन्हें सिर्फ लुक से जज करते हैं. But look is not the key. Okay, we have to be talented. We have to carve ourselves out. जितने अच्छे से हम carve out करेंगे अपने आप को, जितने अच्छे skills, talents हम acquire करेंगे, we are definitely going to win. Next slide, please, ma'am. Next is conveying skills. Present your best version to the one you are meeting. If you are meeting to your college teacher, present the best version of the thing possible to you, to your best. Update yourself. हमें आगे बढ़ना जरूरी है. हम क्या है ये हमारे सामने वाले को नहीं पता. You guys don't know me. Whatever I'm presenting to you, whatever I'm saying to you, you are judging me on that level. Do you really know who am I or what I do? No, nobody knows. If I'm going to a college, if I'm going for the first time and I'm meeting a teacher or I'm trying to make new friends, this is completely on me how I'm presenting myself, how my conveying skills are, how I'm talking. If I'm going to my boss or in an interview, this is the thing generally people ask that if I'm going for an interview, how this conveying skills can help. So it is quite simple. The interviewer doesn't know about you. You have to create yourself, whatever you want to present yourself. Create yourself. It's all in your hands. And yes, start, learn to convey what you want to say, transform it into a word or a phrase and convey it. ऐसा नहीं है कि मन में रखा और सामने वाला समझ गया. This is completely impossible. It can never happen. We have to make a sentence of what we have in our mind. We have to convey that. And yes, conveying means I'm not asking you to be talkative, like you're not thinking anything and start saying and saying without any pause. No, you have to be sensible and speak whenever it is required. Next slide, please. Swati, can we have the next slide? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, might be Swati is having some network issues. So we have other slide also. If she can start, it will be better for us.
Shishti जी कहते हैं there is something wrong with my कहते हैं laptop. Just give me a second. I just log in from my mobile. Okay, just give me.
First one is good.
Yeah, just give me a second. Yeah.
Sure. अगर आप लोगों को कोई क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों को पूछ सकते हैं स्लाइड में कुछ पूछना है अगर
Anika, Vinisha, Anita, and Shivani, if you have any query, please ask her. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to reconnect.
Our next slide is on communication.
I'll ask in the meantime. My daughter, she is working at the moment, but I don't know why she feels that she's not able to, though she's very knowledgeable, but she feels she has a problem in connecting with people. She is not able to talk or start a conversation or something. So what should I tell? How does she go about for that? She knows and she can talk literally on any topic, even though she has that. But that I think there's a slight lack of confidence currently. So what should be done to boost her up and how does she present herself?
What is your daughter's age?
She's 23 now.
Okay. Well, Manisha ji, thank you for the question. Generally, in this tender age or mostly after the age of 15, 16, we girls have some changes in our body. We used to be very, we used to be very contracted. We never wanted to be open to each and everyone we meet. Sometimes those who are very frequent or used to talk a lot in friends or the ones they know, they are sometimes quiet when they meet the strangers or a new person or relative whom they never or sometimes very rarely meet. it generally happens to all of us when we are like I'm giving an example of stage fear. If I'm on a stage, I'm seeing so many new people, so many new faces, and I have to say, suppose I have to read a passage only, and I am very well prepared of the passage. But sometimes it happens that seeing so many new faces, I'm totally blank. I don't know what to say, how to start. What the other person is thinking about me is the thing we people generally have in our mind. Maybe I am not perfect in speaking English, or maybe I'm not perfect in joining the sentences. Maybe the question that the uh, person will throw to me is completely new, and I'm very much afraid of that. These people, this is normal people tendency. She needs to be like she needs to attend classes, or she needs to see some videos which will motivate her. It is not any kind of problem, or sometimes we say that oh, she is very introvert, she don't want to talk to others. Our relatives or our neighbors used to use these kind of comments for us only, and this started demotivating us more. This starts at least if I'm not speaking to my neighbor because I'm very much I don't want to speak, and that neighbor will poke my parents saying that she never talks to us. Why she's so introvert? And on that very moment, I'll really feel that why this neighbor is my neighbor. I don't want to be with him. Right. So this is our tendency. If it's a state of mind only, a state of fear, a state of mind, completely it's on your daughter. She will be perfect once she wants to be. She needs to see some videos, some motivational videos, and she'll be perfect. She is perfect. Hope I'm clear.
I think you make it clear. Venetia, over to you for queries.
Nothing. I think I just need to boost her up a little more. It's just
Yes, you have to. This is in your hands.
No, I think she has this inhibitions in starting and all. Once she starts, then she goes. But then she feels okay, till the other person is not very reactive or something, then she has a barrier also. But otherwise, yes, she can manage it.
This is very good sign that if she can understand the mind of the other person, that the person is not interested, then she's silent or she stops the word. It's very good. Sometimes we keep on talking and we annoy the other person. It's really good for her.
No, that way she can gauge very fast. So that all is there. I don't know why. I think it's just a lack of confidence and all that. We'll try to boost her a bit more.
Boosting up will do tremendous work for her.
Sure. Thank you.
Welcome. Swati, are we ready with the slides? If possible, I'm seeing the conventional slide, the last slide only. I want the new one, the communication skills slide.
Okay, fine.
And we are moving to the topic communication skills.
Okay, done. Are you able to see now? Shrishti, are you able to see?
Yes, yes, yes.
Fine.
So our new topic is communication skills. This is the king skill. Like the question of Manisha ji was also this, that her daughter is not able to communicate properly. I'm going in detail with this now. Hope you all will be benefited with these slides. The king skill, communication skill, is divided into two parts. Number one is meeting process, and the other one is rapport building. What is meeting process? Today I'm meeting for the first time with, suppose I'm meeting for the first time with Anika. My appearance will affect, like 20% of my look will affect on her, and 80% are the rest factors, which we can develop whenever we want. Self-development, which we call grooming, personality grooming, or whatever program we are conducting today, the 80% depends on that. Dressing sense. Suppose I'm meeting with Anika today and she is a doctor. When I heard that Anika is a doctor, I'm going to meet her. An image of doctors, generally with proper uniform, decent clothes used to come. But when I'm meeting Anika, I'm seeing she is in shorts, she is in sleeveless dress, and the first impression, the appearance is not like, oh my God, is she really a doctor? You used to think like this, right? Suppose I'm a lawyer and you have heard that this lawyer is coming and she will give a presentation. And you found me that I'm wearing a swimming costume and you all are devastated seeing me. You all have thought I'll be in black, complete black dress, as we think lawyers used to, as generally the lawyer used to wear. So dressing sense should be perfect. We should be, whatever we are, we need to present ourselves in a better version. Suppose I generally don't wear makeup or, I don't like wearing jewelries and flaunting myself very much. But yes, when I'm going to meet someone, I'm going for a presentation or a show, I try to look my best possible version. I want to present myself perfectly. The next one is feeling. What is feeling? We go to a party. I'm going to a party, and there I found 2-3 ladies talking. I was so excited seeing them. I joined the group. I greeted them. Hi, how are you? The other one is like, oh, spicy feeling. She started like, they turned faces. 2-3 people were there, and one is interacting. The other people are not feeling good for me, and I can sense that. These people can sense, at least not completely, but we can sense what other person is thinking. That feeling may not give a proper impression of that lady, of that group to me. Likewise, if I'm going for an interview, I went and I found that my employer is sitting like this position and he is twisting a pen. I can sense he is not in a good mood. His feelings are not good, and I have to be perfect at that moment. He can shout at me anytime because I can sense that he is not in a perfect mood. Right. Next is body language. If I'm meeting you, I'm happy, I'm feeling good, I'm showing my positive things to you, you may enjoy meeting me, right? If I'm looking at you like this, if you're meeting me for the first time and I'm looking at you like this, will you be liking my posture, my eyes expression? Do you want to talk to me if मैं अगर घूर रही हूँ आपको, चुपचाप से आप पार्टी में आए हो, मैं आपको सिर्फ घूर रही हूँ आपको, तो आपको क्या वो मेरा बॉडी लैंग्वेज पसंद आ रहा है? जब मैं आपसे मिलने के लिए जाऊंगी तो भी आप मुझसे बात करने में इंटरेस्टेड बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहोगे, है ना? नेक्स्ट वॉइस पिच. वॉइस पिच क्या है? जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं, माई टोन, जनरली टोन की वजह से ना पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक होते हैं, शादियां टूटती हैं, फ्रेंडशिप टूट जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा बात तो सही होता है पर हमारा टोन सही नहीं होता है. हम सही बात बोलते हैं, अरे तुम बहुत सुंदर दिख रही हो, पर मेरा टोन, अरे तुम बहुत सुंदर दिख रही हो, ये वो सामने वाला सोच सकता है कि ये तो गुस्से में मुझे चिल्ला रहा है. हमारा टोन हमारे हिसाब से, हमारे बात के हिसाब से मैच करना चाहिए. और जनरली जब लोगों में लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं ना और वो कुछ प्यार से बोल के निकल जाते हैं, टोन सही रहता है, पर वो कुछ गुस्से में बोलते हैं ना, तो भी उतना चुभता नहीं, उतना बुरा नहीं लगता. तो इससे हमको क्या समझ आता है कि जब हम किसी से मिलें, हमारा टोन हमेशा लेवल पे होना चाहिए, हमारा पिच लेवल पे हो. ऐसा ना हो कि हम बहुत खुशी से मिल रहे, ओ माय गॉड आई एम मीटिंग यू आफ्टर दिस होल 1 ईयर, इतने कोरोना के बाद हम मिल रहे हैं, और सामने वाला बोल रहा है तो तुम इतना क्यों कूद रहे हो, है ना? तो वी डोंट वांट कि ऐसा मेरा इतना खुशी का चीज था और ये मेरा पोपट कर दे, वी डोंट, तो नोबडी वांट दिस। हम ऐसे मिले, चलो हाँ वो तो फ्रेंड्स थे, पोपट करना उनका हक बनता है, पर अगर हम ऐसे अपने एम्प्लॉयर से मिल रहे हैं, इतने टाइम के बाद हम ऑफिस जाएंगे, I cannot go and hug my employer. Oh my God, where were you this whole long year? No, I have to be polite. I have to be in a decent way. है ना, मेरा पे वॉइस ठीक होना चाहिए। मैं जाके बॉस बॉस नहीं चिल्ला सकती, मैं अपने कलीग के नाम लेकर के ऑफिस में नहीं चिल्ला सकती, मुझे अपने इमोशंस पे कंट्रोल रखना चाहिए, है ना। नाउ द लास्ट पॉइंट इज वाइब। हमें जिससे पॉजिटिव वाइब मिलता है, हम उसके साथ बात करना पसंद करते हैं। We used to interact, we love interacting with the people, those who are giving us positive vibes. जो हमें नेगेटिव वाइब्स देते हैं, हम फर्स्ट मीटिंग में जब हम इंप्रेशन चाहते हैं किसी से बनाना, अगर किसी का वाइब्स हमें पसंद नहीं, आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग द वाइब्स ऑफ द अदर पर्सन, आई रेयरली इंटरेक्ट विद दैट person. This is human tendency. So whenever we are meeting someone, impression plays a vital role. Appearance, look plays 20% role, and the rest factors are dressing sense. If I'm meeting to a person for the first time, or I'm an interviewer, I'll see how the person is coming to me, how he or she is dressed. If he or he is informal or came funkily, that will be marked. How she is feeling, how the body language is, how is the voice of my, if I'm interviewing someone, I'll notice the voice tone also and the vibe that she is spreading. Next slide, please, ma'am. Be a good listener. Be an active and conscious listener. Sometimes if we are not a good listener, if I'm in a school and I'm not listening properly, I may miss out some important points. I may lose benefits. If my teacher is saying something important and I'm daydreaming, or I'm just looking at her and I'm not listening, I'm not an active listener, I will surely miss points. I will not understand the things, I'll miss the concept, I'll miss everything. Active listener leaves very good impact on the observer. Likewise, today I'm presenting myself and I'm seeing my listeners are very active and I'm very much impressed. Manisha ji is actively listening to me. Anika is so much responsible. She is listening. Swati is so helpful. So I'm very much impressed in my listeners. And these listeners are giving a good impact on me, and thank you so much. If you are listening someone, it helps you in understanding the perspective and opinions of others. If you are not listening to me, you can hardly understand what I want to convey to you all. If I'm right or not, that depends on you only. If you are listening to me properly, you can find out my flaws also, right? So for that also you need to be a good listener. And it maintains and continues. It's the base of good communication. If you are listening properly, if you have been to an interview, like I have seen a video in Facebook, there was an interviewer and he asked his candidates to write something on board. And so many candidates came and they started drawing a chart or a pie chart, and all were fired. No one was hired. Why? Because he said his candidates to write something on board. No one was attentive. Suddenly, a person came, took the marker, and he wrote the word something, SOMETHING, on board, and he got selected. Why? Because he was an active listener. He got hired because he understood what his employer is asking him to do. So being a good listener helps a lot, especially to us if we are going in this corporate world. And while we are listening, we should not be daydreaming like we are seeing to our teacher like this, and in khwabon mein we are ghuming and ghuming. No, we cannot do this. We have to be active listener. Daydreaming is not allowed. It's not included in personality grooming. You can do it completely on you, but it's not good for us. Next slide, please, ma'am. Rapport building. What is rapport building? See, when I'm meeting with someone, my first impression was the things I listed in the last slide. Impression, my feeling, my voice tone, all these things. Now comes the rapport building. मतलब मैं आपसे मिली, मैं आपको बताई मैं बहुत पढ़ी लिखी लड़की हूँ, है ना, मैंने बहुत कुछ बताया फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में। रैपो बिल्डिंग में जब हम आपसे दोबारा मिलते हैं, अब मेरे पास वो समय आया है जब मैं उसको प्रूव करके आपको दिखाऊं और आपके मन में मेरे लिए जो पहले से साफ छूटा हुआ है उसको कंफर्म कर दूं, एक सील लगा दूं कि हाँ मैं ऐसी। मैं अगर अपने आप को बहुत गुस्से वाली दिखाई हूँ फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में, तो ये रैपो बिल्डिंग के वक्त में मेरे पास मौका है कि मैं आपके उस इम्प्रेशन को, अपने इम्प्रेशन को चेंज कर सकूं आपके मन में। फर्स्ट मीटिंग मेरी आपसे हुई, मैं उस वक्त बहुत गुस्से में थी, मैं आपसे मिली और कुछ भी बात नहीं की और मुंह घुमा करके मैं चली गई। आपके मन से मेरा क्या इंप्रेशन पड़ा? बहुत घमंडी है, अब इससे बात नहीं करना है ना। 1 घंटे बाद मेरा मूड एकदम सही हो गया, मैं फिर से आप लोगों के पास आई और आप क्या हमसे बात करना चाहेंगे? नहीं, क्योंकि मैं तो घमंडी हूँ। आपके मन में मेरा इंप्रेशन एक घमंडी लड़की के रूप में स्थापित हुआ है, तो आप मुझसे नहीं बात करना चाहोगे। और मैं तो जानती हूँ कि मैं आपकी नज़र में अच्छी नहीं हूँ, मुझे अच्छी बनना है। जनरली इन सास बहू थिंग्स ऑल्सो वी यूज टू डू दिस, अच्छा तो बन के दिखाना है। तब क्या करेंगे? ये जो रैपो बिल्डिंग है, इंप्रेशन के बाद वाला पॉइंट, दिस हेल्प यू इन मेकिंग योर इंप्रेशन परफेक्ट अगेन। एक बार गलती हो गई तो हो गई, वी हैव अनदर टाइम, वी कैन सॉर्ट द थिंग्स आउट। So the process of developing a connection is called rapport building. It is an after-meeting process which helps in maintaining the first and foremost impression. If I'm good to you in the first meeting and in the next meeting also I'm good to you, this, my impression is maintained, right? My impression is maintained to you. It is considered to be the most important process as it is completely on your self-maintenance and self-balance. How you can present yourself, how well behaved you are, how well balanced you are, is linked to rapport building. Am I clear? Thank you.
Yes, you are.
Next slide, ma'am. Impression. First impression is the last impression. सबने सुना है, but नहीं. First impression is the most important impression. हाँ, फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन से फर्क पड़ता है, पर जैसे मैंने कहा मैं बहुत गुस्से वाली आपके सामने फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में दिखी, तो ऐसा नहीं मतलब है कि मैं हमेशा गुस्से में रहती या फिर वो मेरा नेचर है, नहीं। वो सिनेरियो होता है। समटाइम्स दिस इज अ सिनेरियो कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, जरूरी नहीं मैं हमेशा खुश हूँ, मैं घर पे हंसती नहीं रहती हमेशा, जोकर जैसा नहीं घूमती, मैं खुश रहती हूँ। पर ये मेरा इंप्रेशन आपके मन में पड़ना जरूर मैं नहीं चाहती ना। मैं क्या चाहती हूँ कि मैं अगर आपसे फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रही हूँ, मैं एक प्रोफेशनल हूँ, तो मैं आपके सामने प्रोफेशनल तरीके से, है ना कि एक कॉमिक कैरेक्टर की तरह। तो मेरा जो आपके ऊपर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन पड़ता है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट इंप्रेशन है। हो सकता है इसके बाद का मैं अगर कभी कोई स्टेज शो करूँ या प्रेजेंटेशन करूँ या आप कभी मुझे देख रहे हो स्क्रीन पर भी, तो उस टाइम में आपके मन में मैं एज अ पर्सनैलिटी ग्रूमिंग टीचर ही रहूँगी शायद, पर उस वक्त मेरा रोल कुछ और रहेगा। तो दैट इज़ नॉट थिंग, दैट इज़ नॉट द राइट थिंग कि मैं वही हूँ। मेरा फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन इज नॉट द लास्ट इम्प्रेशन ऑन यू ऑल, बट दैट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इम्प्रेशन। आप ये याद रखो कि अगर आप किसी से मिल रहे हो और आपसे कुछ गलती हो गई है फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन में, फर्स्ट मीटिंग में, तो कभी ऐसा मत सोचो कि शिट अब मैं हमेशा इसके मन में ऐसी रहूँगी, नहीं। हाँ, वो इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, पर आपके पास ढेर सारे मौके मिलेंगे उसको सुधारने के लिए। कभी कभी हम सुनते नहीं हैं, समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट अ गुड लिसनर एंड और समटाइम्स वी overhear something. Suppose if your teacher is saying something to you and you overheard, or you missed out a whole line what he said, your impression is not good on her because you asked her to repeat and again you missed. Again you started daydreaming and you missed the line. Your impression is not good. On the very next day, you again got a chance, and if you performed or you started being a good listener to her, she will be impressed. You can change the way she thinks about you. you can change your first impression on her. So try to be as good as possible in your first meeting, but don't be devastated thinking that you have lost your chance of being good in the first impression. Am I clear? I may be wrong now, I may be stumbling, or I am nervous now, but I am trying to be present. I am trying to present myself as the best possible way I can present to you all.
It's a nice presentation so far. But what I'm saying is, don't we always make our own perceptions based on the first impression itself? Whenever we meet somebody, then our second meetings or consecutive meetings are based on that first impression itself. Because if it was pleasant, we would look forward to another meeting with that person, and if it wasn't so good, we would avoid on some pretext or the other. So isn't that usually like a last impression only for us?
See, if I'm going for a show, okay, I'm an audience, I'm going for a show, I have paid for tickets. Suppose I'm going for the comedy show like Zakir Khan and all there, and by chance they missed out something or they were not in a good mood, and I went for the show for the first time. Though they are very good speakers, we used to see their videos. They are no doubt very good. But when I went to see his show, he messed the things out. And I was like, oh, इसके बारे में इतनी तारीफ होती थी. जरूर जो वीडियो लगाते हैं वो एडिटेड होता होगा, इसके लिए अटकने वाली बीमारी या फिर इसमें सोचने वाली बीमारी को हटा देते होंगे. हम इस कंफ्यूजन पे आते हैं. पर उस वक्त उसका स्टेट कैसा है, उसका माइंड कैसा है, या फिर हो सकता है वो फर्स्ट टाइम वो वाला टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहा है, या फिर जनरली कॉमेडियंस एक ही टॉपिक को बार बार दिखाते हैं 1 ईयर तक, उसके बाद वो चेंज करते हैं. तो जब वो फर्स्ट टाइम अपनी किसी चीज़ को प्रेजेंट कर रहे होंगे तो उनमें कुछ तो गड़बड़ी होगी. वो भी हमारे तरह ही नर्वस होते हैं. वो मतलब कोई भी क्यों ना हो, वो कितने भी हाई लेवल पे क्यों ना पहुंच जाए, कभी ना कभी सोचता ज़रूर होगा, अटकता ज़रूर होगा. और हो सकता है वही इम्प्रेशन हम अपने मन में उसको फाइनल बना लेते हैं, जो हमें नहीं बनाना चाहिए. मैं उस दिन के बाद से शायद ही उस कॉमेडियन की 1000 रुपये दे करके टिकट खरीदूंगी, क्योंकि मेरा इंप्रेशन खराब बैठा उसके लिए मेरे मन में. तो ये ना ह्यूमन पर्सपेक्टिव है कि हाउ दे आर थिंकिंग. सपोज आपको मेरा शो आज बिल्कुल पसंद है, मैं आपको बहुत तंग कर रही हूँ, आप बस देख रहे हो घड़ी की कब टाइम हुआ और इसका शो खत्म हो, मैं चली जाऊँ. होगा, अगर होगा तो नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर मैं कभी भी कर दूंगी आप नहीं ज्वाइन करोगे, है ना. पर हो सकता है आज मैं अपना अगर आपके सामने 60% दे सक रही हूँ, तो नेक्स्ट शो में मैं और अच्छा कोशिश करूँ आपके सामने 100% दें. तो आई हैव समथिंग, आई कैन प्रूव माई सेल्फ मोर बेटर, आई कैन प्रूव माई सेल्फ बेस्ट इवन. तो जनरली हमारे सोसाइटी में ऐसे ही होता है कि हम चांस नहीं देना चाहते. तो चांस दोगे सब आगे बढ़ेंगे. Can we have the next slide, please, ma'am? Be confident always. जैसे मैं आज कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि हाँ आज मैं भले ही 60% दे रही हूँ, तो नेक्स्ट में मैं 80% तो पूरी कोशिश करूँगी देने की. आप लोगों को कोई क्वेश्चन है या आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, मैं जानना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू नो. एंड आपका ओपिनियन, आपका फीडबैक मैटर करता है. जैसे मैं अपना yes, any questions, any feedback?
Yeah. So I will start and I will give the chance everybody to speak. मुझे सृष्टि के 2-3 पॉइंट्स बहुत अच्छे लगे, which I can correlate with myself. अगर घर का माहौल ठीक नहीं होता है और हस्बैंड कहते हैं चलो तैयार हो जाओ बाहर खाना खा के आते हैं, सो अल्टीमेटली आप देखो ना वाइब्स भी घर की चेंज हो जाती हैं. एंड व्हाट शी टोल्ड इन हर स्लाइड, कहते हैं वाइब्स चेंज हो गई एंड सबका मूड चेंज हो गया. सो एक आपका बोलने का तरीका चेंज हो गया. So everything's make an impact. और दूसरी जो मुझे बात लगी कि फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन इज योर लास्ट इम्प्रेशन, मैं थोड़ा इससे पर्सनली कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करती हूँ. और मुझे ये भी लगता है कि इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि हमें वाइब्स कैसी आती हैं. और जो सृष्टि ने एग्जांपल दिया था कि हम लेडीज़ हैं और आप जाते हो नए ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करते हो, उनकी जो वाइब्स होती हैं, हम एक्चुअली हमारी नेचर होती है टू बी जजमेंटल. हम एकदम कर लेते हैं, जज कर लेते हैं कि यार वो ठीक नहीं है, उसके साथ मेरी नहीं पटेगी, इज समथिंग। एंड व्हाट आई हैव सीन इन माय जजिंग, कि जिनको मैं सोचती हूँ ना कि मेरी और इनकी नहीं पटेगी, एंड वी आर बीइंग फ्रेंड्स फॉर 6 or 7 years, तो आई डोंट पर्सनली बिलीव इन फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर कोई अपना बेस्ट दिखाना चाहता है। इवन मैं हूँ, आई विल ट्राई टू शो माई बेस्ट, लेकिन मेरी जो एक्चुअल नेचर है वो जब तक मैं 3 या 4 बार नहीं मिलूंगी किसी से, तब तक nobody will come to know my actual nature। क्योंकि हमें पता है, आज हम किट्टी पार्टी में गए हैं, या हम नेटवर्किंग मीटिंग में गए हैं, या किसी ऑफिस में गए हैं, हमें आधा घंटा मिलना है, तो आई विल बी एट माई बेस्ट। लेकिन जब हम रिपीटेडली किसी से मिलेंगे तभी तो हमारा ट्रू नेचर आएगा। घर वालों में लड़ाई क्यों होती है? घर वालों में लड़ाई इसलिए होती है क्योंकि हम सबको एक दूसरे की नेचर पता है, 20-25 साल हो गए रहते रहते, वी नो की नेचर है। और हम बाहर वाले से मिलते हैं, वी आर सो हैप्पी, वो कितना अच्छा था यार, वो आधा घंटा मिला है तो अच्छी अच्छी बातें ही करेगा ना। सो दिस इज माय टेक, एंड अनीता,
my feeling, Swati. Exactly feel the same thing. I also agree that for the last impression and all, na, very many times it has happened with me also. I've met somebody, I felt कि नहीं मेरी इससे नहीं बनेगी है क्या, and then we gradually, अभी recently समझ लो मेरी, I hired a cook, she was not cooking well and I was just waiting कि she did an obligation to me कि हाँ जब मेरे को problem थी she supported me and all, so for that sake I was continuing with her. Now another few months down the line I feel कि नहीं I'm going to continue with her because that lady is really good. But my first impression about her was कि she doesn't know her job, basic job itself, and she's not such a good lady and all. I should chuck her out at the earliest. But so again, and this was just one short example, but it has been happening with me all throughout my life also. And same thing about your feelings also, no? When you're expressing. Yes, I agree with you. The tone and all, the pitch makes a lot of difference, especially when you're talking to the male genders. The way you voice yourself, na, आप वही चीज प्यार से, स्पेशली स्वाति, इफ यू एग्री टू द हस्बैंड्स, प्यार से चीज बोलो ना, थोड़ा सा सुन लेंगे, कर लेंगे, जहां थोड़ा सा आपने उसी को असर्टिवली या स्ट्रिक्टली कर दिया, अच्छा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? यस, आई डू एग्री क्वाइट अ फ्यू थिंग्स एंड आई रियली लाइक द प्रेजेंटेशन पूरा, बट लास्ट इंप्रेशन वाला मेरा, आई आल्सो फील अ लिटिल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम
I said first impression is the last impression, but today first impression is the most important. Not the last.
No, it is. No, I still feel it is not the most important because I keep changing my impressions gradually. I keep meeting the person. So, I have come to the feeling that yes, I'm not a very good judge for these things. Na? I cannot gauge the other person so quickly. So I always feel I should give them more opportunities, na, to know the person rather than making my own judgment based on their first meeting. And I don't know why we always present ourselves very well on the first meeting.
Mentality, that's our mentality. That's how we are groomed from the starting. अगर आप देखो ना, बचपन में क्या होता है, बचपन में मम्मी कहती थी कहीं जाना है अच्छे बच्चे बन के रहना.
Exactly. We've been shown that when the first impression is about you and your background and everything, so you have to be your best always.
So we are groomed in that way, and which is not right, I will say. मतलब we मतलब अब हम यंगर जनरेशन को देखते हैं, उनमें we say they don't have feeling, क्योंकि उनको मना करना होता है, वो एकदम मना कर देते हैं. हम हमारे साथ आज भी ये है, हम मना करने से पहले 100 बार सोचेंगे उसको बुरा ना लग जाए.
बिल्कुल. But they are more expressive.
हाँ, so there is a different feeling. अनीता जी, हाँ जी, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
Mera, in fact, I have a very, very different take that if I see that first time, if I have found somebody very nice, I feel कि ये तो बड़ा jinxed है. First time जो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, वो second time वैसा नहीं लगेगा. I have this jinx. Second time when you will meet the same person for the same thing, for the same work, वो वैसा rare होता है कि next time आप उससे और भी ज़्यादा impressed हो. So this is what my experience has been for a number of things. So when I don't like a person in the first impression, I feel better that there is a scope of him or her getting better. Okay, I don't know, means वही first impression पे सब लोग यही सोचते हैं कि that is the lasting impression. I feel कि नहीं, वो that is a deceptive one. I feel that is a very, very deceptive impression. Which probably we are just 5 of us today is the same thing. तो इसलिए जो भी आज impressions लेके जा रहे, let's not keep that impression and keep scope of improvement of getting our opinions at least.
अंडरस्टूड अनीता जी, वेरी वेल सेड. हम जाते हैं अनीका के पास, हमारी सबसे छोटी जो पार्टिसिपेंट है, what she has to say about it.
Like I kind of agree with like all of them. Like there have been instances like कि जैसे स्वाति जी ने बोला कि एक इंस्टेंस वैसे हो गया, फिर जो सृष्टि मैम ने बोला वैसे एक इंस्टेंस हो गया. So right now it's like mixed, but like I really liked the presentation and I really appreciate Srishti ji. Like it was really helpful in like telling the tone and like the body language, how it impacts on your personality.
Awesome कहते हैं. Thank you Anika. And over to you Shrishti.
Well, I enjoyed being your, I'll not say instructor, but I'm like you all only. आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला, फीडबैक से भी बहुत कुछ समझ आया. एंड थैंक यू सो मच कि आप लोग मुझे सुनने के लिए आए, मुझे मौका दिया आप लोगों ने. एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू स्वाति जी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Welcome Shrishti. And see, it's not something I will like to say, because we three, Anita ji, Vinisha ji and me, we are we are 10 or 15 years older to you, and you are upcoming buddy. So and I can feel the nervousness in you. So there's nothing to get nervous or something. Actually, what we told you was our experience by meeting people. See, we are we are above 40 years, and we have our own experience. So we are just talking about the experience. And we have shared our experience with you. It's just little bit of that, nothing to worry about. And if there is any query, please, you are most welcome to ask to Shrishti. And yeah, please.
Any query, Anita? Shivani ji is, I think she's
No
busy
query
right
as
now.
such, but Shrishti, I would like to just thank you for this wonderful session, and I really enjoyed and learned a few things, rather than recalled a few things that I had forgotten about. Okay, how yes, I need to, especially my pitch. That is a problem that my family also talks. Your pitch varies and goes higher, which should not be the case. So yes, I was taking notes also for this reason. Okay, yes, I need to imbibe more of those points that you were mentioning. So it was pretty encouraging. Yes, when we felt that there was something, we just expressed. So please do not take it otherwise. Like Swati said,
Yes, sir.
because we are talking from our own experience, especially being a married person, and we have a different perspective now as compared to Esther, what she must be feeling. But
I agree with you, Vinisha. जैसे अब हमें जो है somebody बच्चे कहते हैं, मतलब I will give an example of my kids. मम्मी तैयार हो जाओ. मैं कहा बेटा क्या तैयार होना है, मैं तैयार हूँ, जैसे चलना है चलो. It's something what we have to improve, but we are lacking. See, this is our ability कि we are lacking in this skills. हम इतने lazy हो गए हैं, या हमारा mindset ऐसा हो गया है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But we have to change that. is something कहते हैं. आज सृष्टि की आज ये देख के पीपीटी देख के we feel कि we need to change, we have to change our mindset कि हाँ हम बैठे हैं तो भाई या कहीं जाना है, या थोड़े से बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं तो काले कर लो. the laziness we are having and लगता है मतलब we the way we are taking things lightly, we should not take things nicely, and we should work over ourselves.
And it's basically for our improvement only, right? Not just seeing from the other person how they're perceiving us, but for our own well-being. Na? Yeah, because lately I was reading this also, okay, how you treat yourself is what will reflect. So if you are going to feel happy and you're going to pamper yourself and you're going to feel good about yourself, yes, the other person will also feel the same and do so to you. So what you're saying ना कि हम अपने आप को ज़्यादा ही casual लेने लगते हैं with the, after a certain age, lazy हो जाते हैं सारा. We should do that for ourselves.
अभी सृष्टि से पहले we had a, because we are just 4 or 5 people, so I'm just discussing it. We had a live session with one of our dietitian, and very important, one important point what I was my took from that lady was that कि self love is very important, which we are forgetting with our age,
and especially the ladies.
Yeah. So जिस दिन हमें ये सेल्फ लव करना आ जाएगा उस दिन हमें वी विल फील कि हाँ फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन होना चाहिए, वी शुड गेट वेरी नाइसली. ये जो मेरे हस्बैंड कहते हैं या जैसे तू मुझसे बोलती है ना बाहर वालों से भी बोल के देखा कर जितने पढ़ेंगे. तो इट इज समथिंग we have to improve ourselves, and and see, we are in the process, in the starting. What Anika said, nobody is perfect, so we are not perfect, and we are still in a learning stage, and we will keep on learning till the end. So we will definitely work on what you have told us to improve our, especially our pitch and our vibes, and the how the way we go and meet other. And we will try. I'm not saying we will do it, but I will try. I can say about myself, I will try कि घर का गुस्सा घर में छोड़ के किसी से मिले तो प्यार मोहब्बत से मिले, उसको शो ना करे.
For the family, उसके लिए भी no one has to be that way ना. The way we treat our kids, the way we treat our husbands and all, उस पे भी थोड़ा सा और work कर सकते हैं. Thanks to your tips and all कि हाँ.
हमारे पास रैपो बिल्डिंग का भी मौका है ना. अगर हमारा इंप्रेशन अच्छा नहीं पड़ता है तो रैपो बिल्डिंग तो है मेंटेन करने के लिए.
Exactly.
है ना.
बिल्कुल. तो वही सारे आपके पॉइंट्स इम्बाइब करेंगे जितना हो पूरा. थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग अस ऑफ ऑल.
जैसे अनीता जी ने बताया कि उनका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन अगर कोई उनके ऊपर अच्छा नहीं छोड़ता है तो वो खुश होती है कि इसके बाद वो बंदा मेरे सामने अच्छा इंप्रेशन देगा, क्योंकि उसका रैपो बिल्डिंग बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. रैपो बिल्डिंग बहुत हेल्प करता है आपके इंप्रेशन को सेटल अप करने के लिए. हो सकता है हमारा फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन कुछ गलत हो गया हो, रैपो बिल्डिंग बहुत हेल्प करे. एंड अनीका, आप तो भी क्लास 11 में हो, आपको तो बहुत अच्छे मौके अपने आप को अच्छे से प्रेजेंट करने का. अच्छा है आप ये सब ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, ये सब क्लासेस देख रहे हो. वेरी गुड.
Anita ji, would you like to say something in the end?
No, nothing really. The only thing is I was thinking thoda bahut, probably you would, because it was personality grooming, I was thinking maybe some part would be there on how to dress up also. Dressing up would also be included. I thought I was maybe, usually wo jo होता है कि how to dress up for various occasions, that kind of a thing. I was thinking this, it will also involve that, but I was like, it's okay, whatever is the scope of the meeting.
Anita ji, वो actually it was for male and female both, and in this 1 hour we can't take the dressing part, but unfortunately there was no male in the workshop, but it was open for male and female. That's why we didn't took that dressing part, क्योंकि वो फिर बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता डिवाइड करना बिटवीन मेल एंड फीमेल, बिकॉज दोनों की ड्रेसिंग डिफरेंट सेंस डिफरेंट हो गया, एंड वी जस्ट हैड ए 1 hour. So we didn't took this thing, and we just took the soft skill and a verbal communication, how we can do it. That's the reason.
Okay.
In our next session, we'll be covering communication gap and dressing trends, how to appear for interview and all things. In my next session, I'll do that, because 1 hour time is very, very, very less, and I don't want to touch and run the topic. So I chose only these 3 points to discuss, and the rest will be discussed in the next session. Hope you all will join and allow me a chance to do my rapport building there.
Thank you, Shrishti. Thank you. We will definitely join, and I will just pass on the message to all of them to join your session. So if there is no carry, we can close the session with a thank you note.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Shrishti. Thank you so much. And what you have taught us, it was really some points were new for us. And we will try to really work upon that. And next time we will meet you, we will dress up nicely. We will show our positive side to you. We will have good vibes, a very calm face. We will try our best what we can do, what we have learned today. So with that note, I am just closing the session. Thank you everybody for joining us today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I will just make a WhatsApp group for these 5 people. And if you have any query, you can reach to Shrishti for that.
Right. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.